This is an unfiltered video for all of the 20-year-olds who want to become rich one day. 1. Live like a poor person and minimize your spending. If you don't have at least $500,000, you shouldn't be driving a brand new BMW or Mercedes or wearing expensive jewelry or clothes. Toyota, Honda, Target, and Goodwill should be your best friends. 2. Learn as many skills as you can because your college degree is not enough despite what your parents or teachers told you. Learn about marketing, sales, and AI because that's what's going to move you forward. And you can learn all of this online, most of it which is free like these places here. 3. Invest as soon as you can. Keep it simple and invest in the S&P 500 because you have the greatest advantage to grow your wealth: time. 4. Stay away from negative people who push you to do drugs and alcohol. Society is going to teach you that it's a normal thing to do. Don't do it. Take care of your body. You can find joy in other places in life. Hi, my name's Steve and I used to be a public school teacher. Give me a follow because I make content like this every day.